Good afternoon, fellow traders. It's Black Coffee Trader. It is Tuesday, February the 11th, and we had a small red day today. I'm very happy with the patience and just not allowing any of the accounts to go really in a bad red position. I really wanted to take a trade here at this key level, but honestly, I do not trust the market. We've had a lot of consolidation moves today, and right now we're sitting in one of those as well. I'm not sure if we're going to go long or if it's going to fall back apart. So I said the safe thing to do is to stay out and not take the trade. But we're down, what, 375 today, which is good. I'm very happy that I'm not, again, I managed the day quite well, even though I had a couple of losing trades. The top accounts, which is the hitchhiker setup, basically a break-even day. We're down about $1. A couple accounts were up about $1, so that's pretty much break even there. The most trades were taken with the key level account. We'll just walk through those really quickly. I took one this morning pre-market looking at this to rebound, and it fell apart, and then I jumped in before the open, had a really nice trade there, up like $90 some, which gave me back. I was positive after that. The 940 trade, by the way, did not trigger. That's why these accounts are still zero, not trading those today. Happy about that. And then up here, I took again, we just had this crazy consolidation. I did short this thinking this is actually going to reject. I was a little bit too early. Anyway, got stopped out there, and then took the long as we kind of retested this level that could have been, it wasn't quite a good hitchhiker setup, so I didn't take it on these accounts, but took the long there. Out of that trade for about 60 in profit. Kind of sad that I didn't take my second target here at the high and let it come back. And then I thought we were retesting, and I took a couple of longs here that both times got stopped out, and then we had this big market fall apart. And I was pretty tight up here, so I really didn't have any chance to trade during this session, which there wasn't much here anyway. And then I took a short when we retested this level here. I took this short, had a nice little winning trade there. That was kind of the end of the day, bringing these accounts a little bit closer, back to where they were. So that was pretty much the day on the key level trades. And then let's take a quick look at the other accounts. I think I only took 2 trades. So I had a small little loss, at a $7 loss here. Looking for a little hitchhiker action right here, didn't play. And then I took another one right here. I took a little short for like 12 bucks, and I didn't like it, just killed the trade. So really was pretty much a break-even day there, nothing to speak of. And look at that. I was just watching that as I was talking, and it looked like maybe it would break down. Now it's pushing right back up. So this 830 to 840 level has really been a challenge today, and I am just better off to not trade it and stay out of it. So I'm doing an update, and I'm going to walk away for the day. Maybe this will reject, but oh well. I did not show you TradeZilla yesterday. Let's take a look today. Down 375, 44% win rate. The win yesterday is because of the rhythmic issues. Apex actually reset all negative accounts. So yesterday I had a $60 loss on these top 5 accounts, and that ended up being 0. So yesterday ended up being a almost $1,400 green day because I was green on all the other accounts. And then today we have a small losing day. So on the week we're up $1,000, and on the month we are down 900. So we can definitely get that back. I'm very happy with, again, just the discipline execution and keeping this to a small red day. I'm not seeing it that well. I took some trades that I thought would work that did not. So that's an indication that I'm just not one with the market today. And again, a lot of consolidation going on today. And I just think that we're probably not going to see much until the next 3 days here. We have a fair amount of news coming out. I think tomorrow is CPI, I forget. Yep, tomorrow is CPI, Thursday PPI, and Friday retail sales. So the next couple of days are what's really going to make a difference, I think, in this market, and then we'll maybe reset at some of these key levels. Again, I've been talking about this one here. This is one I thought might come into play today. I was just completely wrong. 970s, that is a very, very key level that as we get there, I will really be looking for a possible fade of that level, unless we have an extremely strong trend where it looks like we would break through, retest for continued upside. And then the second area of interest, in my opinion, is this big one right here, which I've got it at about the 22 100s, 22 105s. somewhere in there. We have got several major rejection points there. So these are two areas that I am looking for the market to either reclaim and push this thing to further upside, or those are going to be two areas where I will really looking to be fade and hopefully taking a big trade. So anyway, that's kind of the general synopsis of the market and what I'm looking at. But I think we're going to call it a day, move on with it, take a small red day, and get back after it tomorrow. So again, also just a quick reminder that Apex sale is going on. Code BCT gets you the best deal with Apex Take Profit Trader. And thank you for those of you using my codes. Appreciate that very much.
Connection
Thanks also
lost.
to new subscribers. And yeah, continue to hang out, support the channel. I do appreciate that. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet, and we'll be back after tomorrow. So hopefully I'll have time to do a recap tomorrow afternoon. So until then, take care, trade well, and so long.